Hey guys, so I'm here with another new trick and very useful trick. So suppose you want to download this video so that you can watch this video in any time whenever you want without the access of network. So how to download it on your gallery? You just simply have to type here Gen YouTube. See, I have searched it before, Gen YouTube. You have to search this. Here you have to tap on the first link which will come to the fore. Just click on it. Here you have to search the same video which you want to download and save it on your gallery. Let me search it. See, I got it. Click on it. Now you will get the two links. If you want to download its audio, then tap download MP3, and if you want to get the video as well as the audio, then click generate MP4 download links. Click on it. You just have to cut the redirect option and tap 360p because only in this option both video and audio will be downloaded. So you have to tap 360p. Only 360p with video and audio is available. See, it will start downloading. As you can see, I tapped it for 2 times mistakenly, that's why there are 2 options showing. So here you have to tap open file option. As I have set VLC media player as my default media player, so it started running in VLC media player. You can choose it as per your need or as per your wish. So you can access the video, you can watch the video without accessing to the network. So thanks for watching this video. If you want this kind of videos more and more, then do like, comment, support, share, whatever you can do it, as it is totally free of cost.